of rain 30%. Tuesday through Thursday. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 317, effective until 6 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Maryland: Harford, Kent, Queen Anne's, and Talbot, and the following: Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, and Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Eastern Bay until noon. At 11:04 a.m., strong thunderstorms were developing along the line extending from 7-foot middle to Shady Side, moving east at 25 knots. Some of these storms will continue to strengthen. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar indicated. Impact: boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Parsons Island, Pinehurst, Magothy River, Chester River, Eastern Bay, Gibson Island, Bodkin Point, Greenberry Point, Miles River, Love Point, Highland Beach, Sandy Point State Park, Baltimore Light, Severn River, Bloody Point Light, Mattapique, Chesapeake Bay Bridge, Thomas Point Light, Shady Side and Mail. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.